Do you have frozen water pipes and you want to make coffee? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. It's quite simple. All you need is an aluminum pan and a spatula to scoop up the snow. There's an abundance of water outside, so all we need to do is just scoop up the snow and put it in here, and then we'll go put it in the oven. Next, we're going to put it in the oven, put it on the hottest it can get. Check it out. Now that our snow's been melted, let's go ahead and put it in through a water filter and we'll get rid of all the debris that we picked up. And there you have it, fresh water made from snow, even if you don't have running water. Thanks for watching Pixie Rick. If you found this video to be helpful or entertaining, please hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Always remember that Jesus loves you and only He can solve your biggest problem.